How to sign up Snapchat without phone number. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Snapchat without using your phone number. Yes, you heard that right. You can create a Snapchat account using just your email. First things first, let's install Snapchat application. Open a Google Play Store or App Store and simply search for Snapchat and make sure to install it. Once the app is installed, simply open it. From there, simply tap on sign up. Here, what you need to do is simply enter your first name and last name. After you've done that, simply tap on continue. Now simply enter your birth date and click on continue. You can change your username as well. Also, you can simply put the same thing. Create a password and click on next. Here, as you can see, as of now, we can simply enter our email address to create or sign up our Snapchat app or Snapchat account. You can also use phone number, but today's tutorial is all about email. Simply enter your email and click on finish, and that's it. That's how you can sign up Snapchat without phone number.